welcome back to the video channel. In this session I will make exterior model. So let's jump into it. I will start from making a random box for a mesh study. Maybe when I make two-story house, just a normal two-story. Maybe there is a pool and a yard. Okay, let's start. I wanna make the first floor. I think it's around 600 meter for the first mesh. 600 to 450, and then 3 meter or 300 for the height, like this. And then six. Let's add. And then let's add another 200. I think we need another 200, like this. And the next mesh, let's add overlapping to the front. Let's put it 200 overlap for the second mesh, like this. And then 200 again in right here. And make it 300 for height. And the third mesh, let's give it another 600 length, and then same wide with the second mesh. Okay. And then let's put a plate right here, and give it 40 thickness. Okay. This is a concrete plate, maybe, for this house. And then let's give it a kind of structure like this. Let's give it thickness 40, same as this plate, and make a gap between the main mass and the structure mass. Let's give it 300 distance from the main mass, and then extend the plate to here and extend again, maybe 150. Okay, and then let's cut the plate, and we have to make this mark for cutting the plate because it looks too close. I need more open right here. So let's copy this line to cut the plate. Right here, and then push to here. Okay, and then second floor or upper mass. Let's put box here and give it 308. This is for a standard ceiling, by the way. Okay, next, I think I want to extend this box and make it align with this existing mass right here, and then make another mass right here, and I want to make it dynamic, so let's add the height. Wait, I think we need to put the plate first here. Let's give it 20. And then another 20 right here. Oh, sorry, I have to make it group. And then I'm gonna make like this. Okay. And now we can extend this mass and higher from the first mass from level 2 or second floor. Let's extend this. I will extend this for 150 centimeter like this. Okay, now we can see the building just more dynamic. and then let's extend again 200 like this, and then push this for 150. Okay, I think we have the main mesh from first floor and second floor. I will detail it later. Let's focus on the ground. I think we have to delete this guy. So let's make the floor, let's make it kind of high ground, 18. And then offset this right here. Okay, make it group, and then make a second ground. Just copy it and then extend this, maybe 240. Okay, and then let's make mark until this line, and let's make a pull. I want to make offset 120 for the pull area. Let's cut this. Okay, and make the pull. Let's give it 120 for depth and 1000. Okay. Okay. Let's make a nice scene. I think 60 field of view should be good. Looks odd here. Let's add another 100 like this and like this. Okay, that looks better. And make the scene. It should be, yeah, I wanna highlight the pool. Yeah, thing like this, and make it 2 point. Oops, sorry. Okay, this will gonna be our scene. Default tray, show tray, and then add the scene by clicking this button. Okay, good. Now we can move to next step. Let's detail the building. Let's start from first floor. So I want to make two access from here and here, two main access. This is gonna be access from dining room, and this is for living or guest room, I think. So let's convert this mesh into simple wall, 15 wall like this, and then make door opening right here on this mark and push it into this mesh. I want to make a full door opening from floor to ceiling or to plate, and let's push this for 200. Oops. Let's turn off the animations, very annoying. Okay, we have this opening, and then I want to make another opening here. Let's convert this into a simple wall, and yeah, it should be structured like here, but I just wanna focus on a design. I'm not going to detailing the structure and interior, just playing with the building mass and proportion and composition. Okay, let's put this. Okay, and then this boring structure, I think I want to convert it into kind of line column maybe, or circle column. I think circle column should be good. Let's try this. So we have this mass, and how about changing it into circular column? That looks odd, that's too big. How about 10 radius? Sorry, let's make it smooth, maybe 60 segment for this column. Come on. Yeah, and then make it component, and then copy to this point, maybe 10. Let's see. Yeah, it's looking good. I will take this. Let's delay it. Okay, nice. Next, let's detail the second floor. I think I wanna make this building overlapping into this mass. So let's make a hole first and give it a 15. Offset. And push it for half from this mass, and then push it until here. Okay, good. It should be full. So here. Yeah. And then push it for 225. Not push it, pull it or extend it. Yeah, like this. Okay, and then let's change the this mass into a simple wall. Oops. Yeah, like this. And then I think I wanna put window here. It should be aligned with maybe align with between this column. I think it should be right here. Okay, and then make the window maybe around like this, or here 115. And then height 90. And then height from the plate 250. Okay, let's make the hole for the window opening. Okay, and then make another hole in this mass. And push it until the mass exposed into this window opening. And then I want to make another opening here. Let's copy this line. Maybe first I think I want to align it with this one, this plate structure. Let's push it. I think we need more. It's look too small. Let's align the opening to this wall. I think aligning this wall to first floor wall looks good. Okay, so this is the opening mass, and then we need a railing here. So let's make it. I wanna delete the guide first because it's very annoying when the guide is too much on your screen. Very annoying and make my head dizzy. So I will make a railing. Maybe 10 centimeter from the edge, like this. And then right here, all offset, so we have this pad to make a glass railing, and the thickness is 1 centimeter. And then the height, I will make it 90 height, like this. Okay, make it group and then change the material into glass. Yep. And then make another railing module, 1 centimeter. And make this same height with this railing. But we have to divide because it's not realistic to make glass railing at this long. Very not realistic. So let's divide it maybe into 3 or 5 module. I think 3 module should be enough. Yeah, like this, 3 module. Yeah, 3 module, okay. And make a gap. Make a gap for 2 centimeter. Like this. Okay. And then next we have this area. Then change it into a glass railing. Okay, we have finished. We have finished the railing. And let's make a door. I wanna make it a solid door right here. 6 thickness, 6 centimeter thickness. And then I wanna make opening with the frame. Okay, let's push this into 10 centimeter. Make it group, and then 4 thickness. Yeah, like this. And then make a kind of sliding door. Let's divide it into 3 modules for this door. Okay, maybe we can divide it into 3. Yeah, 192 for every module. That's okay and makes sense. We just need 2 centimeter thickness for this frame. Just make it component, and then make a glass in the middle like this. And then make a glass. Wait. Oh, come on. Wrong move. Sorry, guys. So we should make it group first and then make a line. And then divide it into 3 chairs or 3 module like this. And 2 centimeter thickness. And don't forget to make it component because we're gonna make 3 door module. So let's make a glass in the middle of this door module, 2 centimeter offset, and then a glass. The thickness of the glass, maybe you can use 8 millimeter or 10 millimeter, is up to you guys. But it must be thickness here. Minimum is 0.5 because there is it's very important to make a thickness on the door because it will affecting the rendering result. So we have to aware with the detail on your design. Like this, and make a thickness at least 0.5. Make it group and then apply the glass material. Okay, we have this one door and let's copy, but we have to move for 1 centimeter, I think. And then move it. Where is my pick point? Okay, and then slide it. And then I want to make door open to make the house just looks very welcome. Yeah. like this. Okay. And then next we have this door opening and window on the second floor. I want to make the frame on the first layer of the wall. Let's make it. Then thickness, make it group. Wait, what's that? 1 centimeter? Let's add another 9 and then offset for maybe 2 centimeter. No, that's too small. I think let's align with this one. 4, then I will make 4 frame thickness like this. Okay, then put the glass in the middle of the frame. Okay. Make it group and then give the glass material. Okay. And next we have this opening. It's very big. I think I wanna make a sliding door again. Right here, 15 thickness. And make this group, then offset 4 centimeter and then push it until back panel like this. Okay, then make it group. Make it group. Okay, and then let's make a door. I wanna make very big door, just 2 doors on this big opening, because I wanna achieve a kinda slick or simple design language. Make it 2 centimeter. Make it component, then move it 2 centimeter from the frame and then copy like this, and then offset the frame 2 centimeter. Make it group and then put a glass here. Yeah. Make it group and then give it a glass material. Okay, let's see from far. Looking good so far, I think. Beautiful. And then let's delete the guide. Then make the pool just simple 10 centimeter offset and then push it 110. Was it, or it's up to you guys. The thickness of the the depth of the pool. Then let's put the water. I think I wanna take from the foundation plate edit, paste in place, make it group, and then move to the pool wall. Okay, let's give it 5 centimeter from the top, and then put the water material. What is it? It's wood or PVC. Asphalt and concrete. Let's use this glass with this car. Okay, nice, very nice. And then next, let's apply the material. It's only 2 material, so it should be not too much. I think maybe 2 or 3 main material. The first is the building. I wanna use white concrete. I think I'm gonna use this one. This is what? Marble. Don't use marble. Ground. Asphalt is for the ground, I think. But we need material for this building. Let's edit. Let's apply this one. How is it looking? That's very bad. It should be white. Yeah, let's make it like this. Make it more white. Okay. I think this should be okay. Let's apply it to entire building. To the floor, to the wall. And I want to use wood texture for the accent. Let's use this wood and apply the material. Wait, it should be like this, I think. And the texture image should be bigger than this. Okay, let's make it 200. Yeah, 300 like this. And then let's apply it to this door, and then to this second building right here, and then right here. Okay. And let's apply and this circular column should be wood again, same as the wall. Okay. It should be explode. Okay, let's randomize the texture. Okay, now looks better. And then let's put white marble for the floor. Where is it? Should be in stone. This one, the white marble. I think I want to use this for this first level, and then for the second level it should be concrete or a thick material, concrete, asphalt. Let's apply it. This looks too dark, I think. Let's choose this concrete. And make it lighter and lighter. Yeah, like this. And change the size to 300 and put this material to also to the pool. Okay. Oh, this frame. I want to use same color for the frame. No, I think black just better. Color. Let's change this wood into black frame. Yeah, that looks better. And then this frame too. And this frame. And then this frame. Okay. Oh, I forgot this texture. It should be wood. Should be wood. Like this. Okay. And it should be dividing. It should be divided maybe by 3 module. With 1 centimeter thickness of this gap. I think I wanna make it 3. Let's divide it into 3 modules like this, and then make a gap for more realistic shape. Just 1 centimeter gap is enough for this building. Okay. So this is the final shape. This is it. Let's fix this. Ten centimeter first, just for temporary solution. Yeah, this is the building. It's finished. I have finished the detailing base, so I just wanna put another ground to make the scene better